My name is Roiser and I'm 9 years old. Today, I'm going to conduct a very interesting science experiment for you. Are you excited? Because I'm definitely am. My experiment today is about magic Skittles rainbow. First, let me show you all the ingredients about this experiment. For this experiment, we need a plate, a bag of Skittles, and a cup of hot water. It's now time to begin our experiment. First, you need to arrange the Skittles in a circle or any other pattern that you like. You can arrange them in a circle, a square, or even a triangle. But today, I'm going to arrange them in a circle. It may take a short while. Patience. Oh, this is long as I expected. Did you try science experiment at home before? It might be dangerous, so you can try it too, but don't try some dangerous experiment like a volcano. But you need a tray, a big tray, so you can put your things at the tray. But I don't have a tray. Okay, let's continue. Next, pour some hot water on the middle of the plate. Wow, this is interesting, isn't it? Now, observe the Skittles very carefully. Look at the colors. What do you see? Do you notice the colors from the Skittles dissolve in the water and form colorful streaks? Look at the designs it's making. It's so pretty and nice to see. I'm totally loving these streaks. Wow, so amazing. All the experiments have safety issues, and let me tell you about some of the safety issues that might happen in my experiment. The first safety issue is that you might accidentally spill some hot water on your hand and it might be painful. So, you need to pour the hot water carefully. Thank you for watching my experiment about magic Skittles rainbow. I hope you enjoy it as much as I did. Thank you. These Skittles make me feel hungry.